Welcome back guys, this is a brand new unboxing video. Today is a special day because today we're going to unbox this United States of America Boeing 747-200, also known as the United States Air Force Air Force One. So yeah, this is the box. It's a huge box. So this is the front side and the model is from Inflight200. It's a new release model from the month of May or June. Yeah, look at the box, man. It's just amazing. With the presidential logo. So yeah, this is a side view of the box. It's practically the same. Some white sides. From the box, you slide it out like this. Top of the box and the back is just a huge Inflight200 logo and a QR code. So yeah, let's get the model out of the box. So first of all, you slide this out. It's huge and it's quite heavy as well. I will put it aside. So here we go guys, let's unbox this model. So yeah, let's remove these protective pieces and voila. So yeah, you can see the model just inside of the box. You can see a tripod here and the collector's coin over here, which I will show you in a second. So let's take this beautiful tripod out. The tripod features Air Force One, VC-25A, A2-8000 and yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is the shield / logo. So yeah, this is the tripod. I will put it aside. Let's take a look at this collector's coin. It comes in this protective bag. So it says United States Seal of the President. Oh wait, sorry, Seal of the President of the United States. And the back says Air Force One, Boeing VC-25A with a beautiful picture of the plane. So now let's get to the model. I will get back to you guys when the model is out of the box. So here you go guys, the model out of the box. Wow, just wow, what a stunning model, super detailed. Everything is so unbelievable detailed. I just can't believe it, wheel, steering wheel, front landing gear, which is movable. Just to give you guys an indication about how heavy this is. Yeah, it's around 1.5 kilograms, I think, maybe 3 pounds. So yeah, it's super heavy. So let's take a look at this stunning model. These wingtips have also protective coat, piece of plastic around them. So here we go. So yeah, as you can see, this model has some, this brand did a really great job on protecting these fragile parts of the airplane with this piece of plastic around it. If you consider buying this airplane, be careful with removing these plastic parts from the wingtips. It's very fragile. So yeah, let's get a closer look of this piece of art. So yeah, let's start at the cockpit. Something different from the original 747 is that this airplane, the VC-25A, features a sort of SATCOM. Some piece of equipment is stored in the nose, just in front of the cockpit windows. This model features a beacon as well, first antenna, and this model has a lot of antennas, so that's also very great detailed. The second antenna. So yeah, this is the middle part of the airplane, which has the name, the United States of America, titles on it. And as well as on the front of the airplane, we have a lot of antennas on the middle part of the airplane, which you can see over here. I don't know the features of all these antennas, but I'm sure Google will find it out for you. And all the way to the back we have some antennas as well. So yeah, let's get a close look at this beautiful, you know, everything about this model is beautiful, but the tail is something different. Here you can see the tail with the registration on it, 28,000, and the American flag. This is another angle of the airplane. And as you can see in the bottom left corner, there's some kind of United States Air Force logo on it. So correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not so familiar with all these Air Force airplanes. I'm more into civil aviation, but I had to get this one too because yeah, it's just an amazing piece to have in your collection. On the other side it says USAF, which means United States Air Force. Get a closer look at these engines because these are polished, I think, which is this as well. This is also polished and this part is also polished metal. So yeah, so here you can see engine number 1 in focus and engine number 2 is now in focus. And on the other side we have engine number 3 and engine number 4, which are all the same, by the way. Let's put the model on its stand to get a closer look at the landing gear. So guys, here you can see the Air Force One in flight modus. And to give you a closer look of the landing gear, here you can see the main landing gear, which features 16 wheels, the front landing gear, which featured 2 wheels. Just to take a quick look in the engine, you can see the fan blades very clearly. Now you can see it even better. So guys, thank you very much for watching this review video of this stunning Air Force One model by Inflight200. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down below in the comments. I will answer them as quick as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye guys.